The current time is 7:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, WXL60, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.475 MHz from an antenna, located on the WVTF National Public Radio Tower on Poor Mountain, 2 miles northwest of Bend Mountain, Virginia, in Roanoke County. Here are the 7 a.m. observations from around the area. In Roanoke, skies were fair. The temperature was 60 degrees. The dew point was 57, and the relative humidity 89%. The wind was northwest at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.75 inches and falling. At Blacksburg, skies were fair. The temperature was 56 degrees. The wind was calm. The pressure was 29.78 inches and steady. In Danville, the temperature was 66 degrees with light rain. The dew point was 64, and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was west at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.77 inches and rising. Elsewhere across Virginia, in Lynchburg, the temperature was 60 degrees with light rain. In Martinsville, it was 58 degrees with light rain. In Dublin, it was 55 degrees and fair. At Mountain Empire Airport, the temperature was 54 with fog. At Hillsville Airport, it was 54 degrees with fog. In Stanton, it was 63 with light rain. In West Virginia, in Bluefield, the temperature was 57 degrees with fair skies. In Lewisburg, it was 58 degrees and cloudy. In Beckley, the temperature was 56 degrees and mostly cloudy. In North Carolina, Greensboro was 65 degrees with light rain. And in Tennessee, Bristol was 56 and cloudy. And now the forecast summary. The first round of showers and thunderstorms will push east of our area shortly after sunrise this morning as an upper-level disturbance exits the region. Additional spotty showers and thunderstorms will develop later today, however, as a cold front enters the area from the west before stalling during the evening. A few thunderstorms may become strong to severe east of the Blue Ridge during the late afternoon and evening hours. High temperatures for today will vary from the upper 60s across southeast West Virginia to the upper 70s across the south side. Looking back over the past 12 hours, spotty shower activity early in the night gave to a solid line of rain and a few thunderstorms embedded within south of Highway 460. The back edge of rain was quickly passing east across the mountains by 5:30 a.m. Rainfall amounts varied from nearly an inch across the mountains and foothills in northern North Carolina to a few tenths of an inch along the Interstate 64 corridor. Overnight temperatures were on the mild side, ranging from the mid-50s to the low 60s for most locations. The Blacksburg Climate Summary for yesterday, March 31st, 2016. Yesterday's high temperature was 63 degrees and below 47. 0.01 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 2.57 inches. This is 1.07 inches below the normal amount of 3.64 inches from March. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 9.71 inches, which is 0.18 inches above normal. There were 10 heating degree days yesterday, and there were no cooling degree days yesterday. The normal high temperature for today is 59 degrees, and the normal low is 34. The record high for today is 82, which occurred in 1986, and the record low is 17, which occurred in 1969. Sunrise today is at 7:07 a.m. and sunset. The Roanoke Climate Summary for yesterday, March 31st, 2016. Yesterday's high temperature was 69 degrees and below 55. 0.01 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 2.25 inches. This is 1.21 inches below the normal amount of 3.46 inches from March. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 10.48 inches, which is 1.21 inches above normal. There were 3 heating degree days yesterday, and there were no cooling degree days yesterday. The normal high temperature for today is 63 degrees, and the normal low is 41. The record high for today is 87, which occurred in 1974, and the record low is 15, which occurred in 1923. Sunrise today is at 7:05 a.m. and sunset is at 7:43 p.m. The Danville Climate Summary for yesterday, March 31st, 2016. Yesterday's high temperature was 75 degrees and below 55. 0.07 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 2.33 inches. This is 1.78 inches below the normal amount of 4.11 inches from March. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 9.18 inches, which is 1.36 inches below normal. There were no heating degree days yesterday, and there were no cooling degree days yesterday. The normal 43. The record high for today is 90, which occurred in 1986, and the record low is 28, which occurred in 1969. Sunrise today is at 7:03 a.m. and sunset is at 7:40 p.m. And now a special weather statement. Showers and thunderstorms will bring periods of heavy rain to much of the area east of the Blue Ridge and across the Piedmont of Virginia. Runoff from the rain will cause significant standing water on roadways and may cause some minor flooding of low-lying areas. Anyone driving early this morning should slow down and use extra caution. Air quality forecasts for the Roanoke area are provided by the Virginia Department of Environmental Quality. The Roanoke area forecast for Friday is code level green, which is good. The primary pollutants are particles. Here is the hazardous weather outlook for today and tonight. There is a marginal risk of severe weather today, mainly in the afternoon and evening. The primary threat is damaging wind gusts. For the period Saturday through Thursday, cold air moving into the region from the northwest will bring a threat for a frost or freeze almost each night through the middle of the week. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Roanoke and southern Shenandoah valleys, including Roanoke and vicinity, Fincastle, Newcastle, Lexington, Buena Vista and Covington. Today, mostly cloudy with numerous showers this morning, then partly sunny with scattered showers this afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming west this afternoon. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Isolated showers until midnight, then scattered showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Much cooler with highs in the upper 50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Windy and much cooler with lows in the lower 30s. West winds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour, increasing to 55 miles an hour after midnight. The forecast for the New River Valley, including Parisburg, Blacksburg, Radford, Galax, Floyd, Woodville, and Pulaski. Today, mostly cloudy with numerous showers with isolated thunderstorms this morning, then partly sunny with scattered showers this afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Isolated showers until midnight, then scattered showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Much cooler with highs in the mid-50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Breezy and much cooler with lows around 30. West winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Finally, the forecast for Southside Virginia, including Rocky Mount, Stewart, Martinsville, Danville, and South Boston, and in North Carolina, Eden, Reedsville, and Yanceyville. Today, mostly cloudy. Scattered showers and thunderstorms this morning, then scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Scattered showers with isolated thunderstorms until midnight, then scattered showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Chance of rain rain 50%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with scattered showers in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Cooler with highs in the mid-60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Saturday night, mostly clear. Much cooler with lows in the mid-30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the Roanoke area. Sunday and Sunday night, clear. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the mid-30s. Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 60s. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, mostly clear. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the mid-30s.